Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about tuples and arrays in Rust programming. Tuples and arrays are example of collections. Collections are kind of data where you can store multiple values. So first, we are going to have a look for tuples. So we are going to use let, and this is our uh, data tp, and we can use parentheses with tuples. You can have different kind of data. For example, like I have hello, and then we can have some numbers also. And you can print the elements of tuples by their index location. So the index start from 0. So this one is 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's see. So we are going to use the curly braces and print the value inside here. And for tuples, we are going to use the index location. So we have total going from 0, 1, 2, 3. So this one 0, 1, 2, 3. First, we are going to access 0. And then I'm going to print the value at index 3. So let's run that code. So here are the elements at index 0 and 3. Now we are going to have our array. So that will be here. So that will be our left data. And you can also add the type. For example, unsigned of a 64-bit value. And then you need to enter the number of elements. So for example, if we just added 2, and here we are going to initialize those values. And for array, you're going to use square brackets. So we are going to have such as 4 and 5, just 2 values. And if we want to access the element of our array, we can do that by printing in curly braces. And we're going to use a comma and then the array name. And here we are going to use square brackets and pass in the index location. So if I want to access the second element, that will be 1. And we're just going to print. So here is the value of our second element at index 1. We can also print the size of array. So we're going to do here. We're going to do print line. And we're going to use data and its length function to get the length of our array. And just run the code. And here is the length. We have 2 elements. Index of the last element is always be at the length of that array minus 1. So we can do this also, like to subtract minus 1. Over here, I'm just gonna print the first element, and here we are going to print the second element by using data. And here we are going to use this length, and we are going to subtract 1. it should print the last element. Let's run, and we get the last element here. We can also remove the type of array data element. And now we are going to use a for loop to print the array elements. So let's try that. I'm just going to add a few more elements to our array. And we are going to use for x. You can have any variable name here in our data. And we are just going to do print line. And print the current element, the value of x. And we're gonna run our code. And here is the output from our for loop. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.